In this tutorial, we will cover how to use the WandX Exchange. To access the WandX ERC20 Exchange, click Token Exchange. This will bring you to the WandX Exchange homepage. On the left-hand side, click the drop-down menu to select the asset you're looking to purchase. With your asset selected, you now have the option to buy the token, sell the token, or view your balances on the Deposit or Withdraw tab. Under the selected asset, you will see basic charting that can be broken down in 1 month, hour or day time spans, and the volume within the given time span. Scroll down to view all of the buy and sell orders in the order book. Within this tab, you can enter the volume of coins you'd like to purchase and set the token price in Ether you're willing to pay. The price will automatically populate to the current exchange price. To buy an asset, it is important to first deposit Ethereum in the Deposit or Withdraw tab. This action deposits your Ethereum into a smart contract, which acts as an escrow for the exchange for buying assets. To receive a 75% fee reduction per trade, enable use of the WAND token for trades by clicking the switch located under the token price. Select Buy Token to place your order. To the right of the Buy tab is the Sell tab. This tab allows you to sell your ERC20 asset. Enter the volume of coins you're looking to sell and the price in ETH you would like to sell at. To sell a token, the asset must first be authorized. This function authorizes the tokens to a WandX smart contract to enable it to be traded freely. Enabling the WandX token for the creation of the sell order will result in a 75% fee reduction. Once your order is set, click Sell to place your order. To the right of the Sell tab, the Deposit or Withdraw tab is located. To actively trade, use this tab to deposit Ethereum onto the platform. The Ethereum will be held in an escrow account to trade assets on the platform. Select Deposit or Withdraw to transfer tokens on and off the platform. Scroll down to view an advanced graph of the asset selected. Here you can toggle between line and candle graphs. On the right-hand side of the page, buy and sell orders, trade history and your open orders for the asset selected can be viewed.